Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to record voiceover in Vegas Pro. So without any further delay, let's start it. This time I add a sample video in timeline. This is optional actually. Now I delete this audio track from this video clip and insert a new audio track. And then I click on this little hamburger icon and select edit visible button set. And this time I check this to visible arm for record button. And here you see the little microphone icon. Now to start recording voiceover, I just simply hit on this arm for record icon. And this time I set my recorded destination file. I set destination folder in desktop and hit OK. And here you see these little two green bars are ups and downs according my voice. After that, to start recording our voiceover, click on this little hamburger icon and select record, or you just simply select edit visible button set and check this record to visible the record button. This time I just click on this record button, or you just simply press Ctrl R and then you start recording your voiceover. So start. Every year, the world's population is expanding by 83 million people. Right now, there are around 7.6 billion people in the world. By 2015, there will be just short of 10 billion. But population trends are widely uneven. Some countries rapidly expanding, others are shaking. Now I stop this one and hit on done. So our recording is now complete. Let's play this clip. So start. Every year, the world's population is expanding by 83 million people. Right now, there are around 7.6 billion people in the world. By 2015, there will be just short of 10 billion. But population trends are widely expanding. Awesome, right? In this way, you can easily record voiceover in Vegas Pro. Thank you so much for watching.